the heart of hands-on learning, we push boundaries to ensure our students are prepared for real-world emergencies. Here's how CVTC EMS students use cutting-edge simulations to get ready for what lies ahead. Picture this. Our students enter a simulated crisis, a meth lab explosion with over 20 critically injured patients. Using SimCity, they triage and treat each victim, assessing injuries, administering care, and making life-saving decisions under pressure.
In another exercise, students intubate real pig lungs. As they practice ventilations, they witness the lungs inflate and collapse, giving them a tangible understanding of how each breath matters.
Meet Matt, our trauma man. In trauma scenarios, he becomes a lifeline for students learning to treat severe injuries. Then there's Victoria. She's no ordinary mannequin. She takes students through the entire birthing process. From labor to delivery, our students are there, guiding new life into the world while learning to treat both mother and newborn. Virtual reality also plays a key role in our training. In this high school, students face intense firefighting simulations, experiencing the heat of the flames and the challenges of rescue, all in a safe, controlled environment. Controlling bleeding is another vital skill. With our wound packing simulator, students get hands-on experience in bleeding control, mastering techniques to stop severe hemorrhaging in critical situations. Finally, our cut suit, a game changer. Worn by a volunteer, this protective suit allows students to perform surgical airways and needle decompressions in a controlled yet realistic scenario. It brings them closer to real-life practice, without the risk. From simulations to real-life applications, we equip our students with the skills and confidence they need to face the future. Because when lives are on the line, preparation is everything.